Woo! Well. Let's get these videos shared out. Let's get this video shared out real fast. Boy, I tell you, man, some people, people just amaze me sometimes. Boy, sometimes motherfuckers just amaze me. I ain't even gonna tell you no lie, boy. Oh, boy. I said, man, it's really each his own, boy. Really each his own. Y'all come on in the room, man. Y'all come on in the room. It's crazy, boy. To give y'all some crazy work. I'm about to give y'all some crazy work this morning, boy. This thing here about to get ugly. About to get ugly. As soon as I get this sucker shared out. Breaking news. That's all I can say. That's all I'm going to say. Breaking news, baby. Boy, look at here, boy. Self-conscious, boy. You own it, boy. When I tell y'all I'm on it now. I'm on it now. Yes, sir. Fucked around and let the cat out the hat. I messed around and let the cat out the hat. Y'all done messed around and let the cat out the hat. And boy, look at him. Sewn and popping. Y'all know what time it is. What's up, everybody? What's up, Trump Train? Bottom of the hour. Double tap the stream for the win. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Turn on all post notification bells because, yep, it's about to get ugly. Yes, it is. It's about to get ugly. It's about to get ugly. Yes, it is. Shout out to Doc Rich. Shout out to Candace Owens for help keeping Charlie Kirk's legacy alive. Shout out to both of them. Not the haters, right? I need y'all to come in. When you come in, I need you to type RIPCK in the chat. That's what I need. Hashtag RIPCK. I told y'all guys I had some exclusive information, and I have some exclusive information for you. So I need you to hit the like button. Tell a friend to let a friend know. Self-conscious on live. And boy, I got some stuff for you this morning. Yep. Everybody say I'm not producing nothing. I don't know why y'all would be thinking as such. But it's okay. It's all good. It's all good, boy. Y'all know how I do, man. RIPCK, baby. And the sad thing about it, right? I'm sitting here tripping, right? Because a bunch of y'all out there, a bunch of y'all ignorant ass peoples out there, right? Let me tell y'all something. And I ain't gonna hold you, right? I'm gonna say what needs to be said, not what you want me to say. I'm gonna say what needs to be said, right? So let me get this video shared out real fast. Just let me get this video shared out real fast, right? Yeah, that's what I need to do. I need to share this video off real fast, right? Let me go right there. Let me go right here. Let me click that. And I'm gonna save that. All right, so everybody wants to know, right? Everybody wants to know the update on Tyler Robinson's trial. Court appearance, right? Well, guess what? I got the information for you, right? I got the video. Obviously, I got the video, right? And I'm finna play the video. I'm gonna let y'all see the video. All right. What I don't need early this morning, and I'm gonna say this, and I'm gonna say it one time. I don't need nobody. After I show what I show. I don't need nobody trying to question nothing, right? Because I took the initiative to get access to this video so I can, in fact, show it to my subscribers. Because I know y'all would like to see it, right? So, without that being said, without further ado, let channel. All right. So here's what we gonna do. Now, I promised y'all that I was gonna come with this video, right? And I got this video, right? So what we finna do, we finna check, we finna follow this court appearance with Charlie Kirk's alleged killer. Alleged, y'all heard what I said, alleged killer, right? Because I'm sticking to my story. Charlie Kirk killer is not Tyler Robinson. We gonna talk about that too. I'm gonna explain to you why he's not the killer. And we're gonna talk about also this guy that Charlie Kirk's alleged suspect or killer was in a relationship with. We're gonna talk about that as well, right? Got a lot of stuff to talk about. So listen at this right here. Check this out. Is that it? There we go. So I told y'all I was gonna come with it. Yep. I'm not gonna hold back. I told y'all, I gave y'all my word that that's what I was gonna do. Now what I need y'all to do, make sure y'all hitting that like button. That's all I'm asking. I'm not asking y'all for nothing else. Make sure you hit that like button, because I'm finna play the video. I told y'all I was do it, and damn it, I'm finna do it. Here we go. Without further ado, here we go.
Very well. And I thank you for being here. So, Mr. Robinson, you have a right to an attorney. If you cannot afford one, the court can appoint an attorney to represent you. I have reviewed your declaration of financial status and find that you are indigent. I'm provisionally appointing a Rule 8 qualified attorney to represent you on your case, Mr. Robinson. Along with their filing of their appearance of counsel, the assigned attorneys must file declarations with the court that outline their qualifications under Rule 8 and under Rule 8B and Rule 8C for a counsel appointment in a case where death may be a sentencing option. I'm ordering that those declarations be filed prior to the next hearing date, which is set for September 29th at 10 a.m. Mr. Robinson, I also wish to inform you of your right against self-incrimination. Anything that you say in court today could be used against you, and we want to protect your constitutional rights. Mr. Robinson, at this time, you will remain in custody without bail. Mr. Skordas, is there any other points that you wish to address?
No, thank you very much, Your Honor.
Turning to the state.
Yes, Your Honor. Chad Grunander for the state. I'm also joined, and they're listed as attendees, Ryan McBride, Lauren Hunt, David Sturgill, and Chris Ballard. We are the trial team on this case. I do have a few points I'd like to bring up with Your Honor. We have filed a pretrial protective order on behalf of Erica Kirk. We would ask the court to review that. It should be in your queue, Your Honor, and sign that.
Thank you. I have reviewed the pretrial protective order and will be issuing this pretrial protective order in favor of Erica Kirk. Is there any other business that we need to address today, counsel?
Just for the court's information, we did file just recently, within the last few minutes, a notice of intent to seek the death penalty that was filed by Utah County Attorney Jeff Gray. So that should be in the court's file. Lastly, I would just indicate to the court and to, at this point, Mr. Robinson, that we are prepared to collect all of the discovery in this matter and get that turned over to the defense as soon as possible. Rule 16 requires us to provide what we have relied on in charging the information and bringing these charges within 5 days once it's requested. So that'll be prepared to disseminate to the defense as soon as possible.
Thank you, Mr. Grunander. Mr. Robinson, what I also want to do is you have the right to have the charges read that you stand charged of, and I wish to read those to you at this time. Thank you. Mr. Robinson, for count 1, aggravated murder, a capital felony in violation of Utah Code annotated 76-5-202, in that on September 10th, 2025 in Utah County, the defendant, Tyler James Robinson, intentionally or knowingly caused the death of Charlie Kirk under the following circumstances. The defendant knowingly created a great risk of death to another individual other than Charlie Kirk and the defendant. Notice conviction of this offense may carry the death penalty or pursuant to Utah Code 76-3-207.7, a mandatory term of imprisonment for life without parole or an indeterminate term of not less than 25 years, that may be for life.
Here's why I'm never going back to regular ED medication. Upgrading the Russia rate was...
Nope, we don't want no ads. We don't want no ads. Y'all hit that like button, bro. Let's go. Let's go. Y'all got to hit that like button, man. Get them likes up.
Targeting enhancement in violation of Utah Code annotated 76-3-203.14 sub 2. Tyler James Robinson intentionally selected Charlie Kirk because of Tyler James Robinson's belief or perception regarding Charlie Kirk's political expression. Notice if the trier of fact finds beyond a reasonable doubt that the victim targeting enhancement applies, the sentencing judge or the Board of Pardons and Parole shall consider the defendant's selection of the victim as an aggravating factor. Violent offense committed in the presence of a child aggravating factor, the sentencing judge or the Board of Pardons and Parole shall consider as an aggravating factor in their deliberations that the defendant committed a violent criminal offense in the presence of a child. Count 2, felony discharge of a firearm causing serious bodily injury, a first-degree felony in violation of Utah Code annotated 76-11-210 sub 2 and 3C, in that on September 10th, 2025 in Utah County, the defendant Tyler James Robinson discharged a firearm in the direction of Charlie Kirk, knowing or having reason to believe that Charlie Kirk may be endangered by the discharge of the firearm and that the act caused serious bodily injury to Charlie Kirk. Victim targeting enhancement in violation of Utah Code annotated 76-3-203.14 sub 2. Tyler James Robinson intentionally selected Charlie Kirk because Tyler James Robinson's belief or perception regarding Charlie Kirk's political expression. Notice if the trier of fact finds beyond a reasonable doubt that the victim targeting enhancement applies, the sentencing judge or the Board of Pardons and Parole shall consider the defendant's selection of the victim as an aggravating factor. Violent offense committed in the presence of a child aggravating factor. The sentencing judge or the Board of Pardons and Parole shall consider an aggravating factor in their deliberations that the defendant committed a violent offense in the presence of a child. Count 3, obstruction of justice, a second-degree felony in violation of Utah Code annotated 76-8-306 sub 2, in that on September 10th, 2025 in Utah County, the defendant Tyler James Robinson, with intent to hinder, delay, or prevent the investigation, apprehension, prosecution, conviction, or pursuant to any person regarding conduct that constitutes a criminal offense, conceal or remove the firearm used to shoot Charlie Kirk, and the conduct that constitutes an offense would be a capital felony or a first-degree felony. Count 4, obstruction of justice, a second-degree felony in violation of Utah Code 76-8-306 sub 2, in that on or about September 11th, 2025 in Utah County, the defendant, Tyler James Robinson, with an intent to hinder, delay, or prevent the investigation, apprehension, prosecution, conviction, or punishment of any person regarding conduct that constitutes a criminal offense, destroyed, concealed, or removed the clothing he wore during the shooting, and the conduct that constitutes an offense would be a capital felony or first-degree felony. Count 5, tampering with a witness, a third-degree felony in violation of Utah Code Annotated 76-8-508, in that on or about September 10th, 2025 in Utah County, the defendant, Tyler James Robinson, believed that an official proceeding or investigation was pending or about to be